Hi, today we will show you on how you can change the screen on this Garmin Etrex 20. It's not very difficult if you have the right tools. All you need a pry tool, a Torx 6 screwdriver and a T5. So first remove the back cover. With a T6 screwdriver remove all these 6 screws. And just lift the back. Be careful on this waterproof seal, so you'll be back in place. And now with the T5 screwdriver you have one screw that holds the motherboard to the front of the case. So remove that. With the pry tool just slide a bit on the side so you can release the motherboard with the screen from the case. Once you've done that, you have access to the screen. You have also some side plastic bits that hold the screw. So what you want to do now is to, from the top where is that ceramic piece, just lift the screen so you can see the connection behind. And after, just slide this brown clip, slide it to release the screen, and after you can slide the screen out. When you purchase a screen for this device, you need to check the part number which is located on this ribbon flex to match the one that you purchase, because on this type of devices there are two different types of screens, and if you order the wrong one you'll have a white screen or it will not come on at all. So slide the LCD screen back on the position, close the brown clip, fit the screen, remove the protective tape and slide the LCD screen back. You need to be careful on this seal. Okay, slide it in, put the seal back in place. Don't forget to put the screw back. Now you can fit the back case. You can now test the LCD screen. Slide the battery, try to power on the unit. CC is working. In case you need this LCD screen, we will have a link in the description from where you can purchase it. This device is a bit slow, but I can see that the screen is coming on. The backlight will come on after the unit starts up. If it's not coming on, you just need to press several times on the power button. Thanks for watching. Bye.